Lesson 17. Lesson 17. All sorts of places. All sorts of places. Sorts means kind. Okay? Kind. This is the moon. Moon. Comet. Comet. Cold places. Okay. In cold places, we have igloo. Igloos are houses built from snow, ice. This is ice fishing. This guy has a net and he is fishing from the hole. Fish, ice fishing. Bowler, bear. Bowler, bear. These are called footsteps. 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 This is called the savannah. Savannah. In the savannah, we have lions. This is a lion, and this is a lioness. We have an antelope. This animal is called antelope. And this green thing here is a grass. Plural form, grasses. Grasses. We have grasses in the savannah. And this is the ocean. The ocean. Okay. This, the man in the suit, is a diver. Okay. Diver. Shark. This fish is called shark. Shark. And this is a ship or a boat. It's a shipwreck. Shipwreck means a boat that sunk into the sea for some reason. Okay. Shipwreck. And this is the seabed. The seabed is the floor of the sea. Okay, the ground of the sea. And this is a fish, coral. This is Earth, where our planet is, our planet Earth. This is a space shuttle. We have stars in the space. Okay, and this is the space. In the space, we have stars. People on Earth send rockets to the space. And we have our source of energy, the sun, in the space too. Okay, the sun, rocket, stars, space shuttle, and Earth. This is a desert. In the desert, we have camel. Do you know this animal? This animal is called camel. And scorpion. This is a scorpion. Crabs and scorpions are different. This is very poisonous, okay? Scorpion. And this leaf or this plant is called cactus. Cactus. Now let's see some land and shore features. This is called mountain, mountains, mountains. This is valley, valley. This is lake, lake. Island, an island. A lake, an island. Beach, volcano, beach and volcano. Cliff, and estuary, estuary. This is a rainforest. It's a place filled with tree and it rains most of the year. This is a web. This is a spider web, and there is a spider on the web. Okay, the name of this spider is tarantula. Tarantula. This is a tree. Many trees grow in the rainforest because it rains a lot there. This bird is called a parrot. Parrots can mimic people's sounds and voices. Thank you very much, guys. Watch the next video.